Hello everyone, I, Bonika Hajra, lecturer in Aryant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today, I am going to explain you about kind of shares and features of equity shares. Kinds of shares. There are two kinds of shares, equity shares and preference shares. Equity shares are having two types, equity shares with voting rights. Second, equity shares with differential voting rights. Types of preference shares: cumulative and non-cumulative preference shares, participating and non-participating preference shares, convertible and non-convertible preference shares, redeemable and irredeemable preference shares, as you can see in this picture. So let's start with equity shares. Equity shares are also known as ordinary shares. Company Act defines equity shares as those shares which are not preference share. The equity share do not enjoy preference for dividend. The equity shares do not have priority for repayment of capital at the time of winding up of the company. Equity shares are fundamental source of financing business activity. Equity shareholder own the company and bear unlimited risk associated with the ownership. Next, features of equity shares. Permanent capital. Equity shares are irredeemable shares. The amount received from equity is not refundable by the company during its lifetime. Equity shares became refundable only in the event to winding up of the company or the company decides to buy back shares. Thus, equity share capital is long-term and permanent capital of the company. Fluctuating dividend. Equity shares do not have a fixed rate of dividend. The rate of dividend depends upon amount of profit earned by company. If company earns more profit, dividend is paid at high rate. On the other hand, if there is insufficient profit or loss, Board of Directors may postpone the payment of dividend. Equity shares cannot compel them to declare and pay dividend. The income of equity share is uncertain and irregular. The equity shares get divided at fluctuating rate. Rights. Equity shareholder enjoys certain rights like right to vote. It is the basic right of equity shareholder through which they elect directors, alter memorandum and article of association, etc. Next one, right to share in profit. It is an important right of equity shareholder. They have right to share profit when distributed as dividend. If the company is successful and makes profit, they have advantages of getting large dividend. Right to inspect book. Equity shareholder have right to inspect statutory books of their company. Right to transfer shares. Equity shareholder enjoy the right to transfer shares as per the procedure laid down in the article of association. So in today's video, we have learned only 3 features of equity shares and the remaining features which we'll learn in next video. Thank you.